Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Gangeshwari from Techvaria. As you know that leave request for the employee with portal user is not available in Odoo standard, and this is very stressful situation because every time managers need to create leave request on their behalf. To overcome this situation, Techvaria has developed a custom module. Using that module, any employee can create leave request from the portal site. So let's start the video. To understand the complete flow, first we will activate our module. For that, we will go to App Store and search Leave. And here you can see I have already activated my module. After that, we will go back in Employee module. Here you can see I have already created an employee Jiggy. Make sure that this Jiggy employee is connected to any portal user. Okay. So now we will go back and log in as a portal user. I have already logged in my another window. Okay, here open Leave. Here you can see everything is empty. Now we will go back and open timer and go to configuration and open any time. Here you can open any timer. You can see the configuration here. First of all, leave required allocation should be yes. Okay, if you want to allocate first. Okay, after that you can see another field, take time off in. So okay, so you have to choose one of them. Okay, for the custom hours request you need to choose hours. Okay, for the day you need to select day. Okay, so this time I am adding day. Okay, we can also configure another time off. Okay, now we will allocate this time off to our employee. Select employee and select time off. I am allocating a paid time off in April. Allocation is 5 days. Okay, just approve it. Okay, after approving, we will go to portal user. Here you can see my paid time of 5 days is available. Now we will go back and allocate another time of sick time of 8 hours. Let's make it 16 hours. Okay, just approve it. Sorry, we have to allocate for the Jackie. Sick time now 16 hours. Okay, just save it and upload it. Just refresh it. You can see 16 hours is available. Now we will allocate another. Unpaid leave is 12 hours. Let me change hours to day. Okay. Okay, approve it. Okay, now we will go to portal and just refresh it. Here you can see Bara and pet leave is available now. Okay, now we will go to portal and here we will create new request as a portal user. Okay, just click on the new button and here you can change it. Okay, page time of 9. Paste one. save this. You can see the status to approve. Here you will go back and you can also see in a list view. Okay, just open it and now we will go back and time off, and here you can see when time off is added in list view, and as a manager I can approve it. Just validate it. Now we will go back and refresh it. You can see our leave is approved. Now we will go back and create another leave request. This time we will request for sick leave. Here you can see to another option, half day. If you want to request for half day, you can select from here. Okay, if you want to request for custom hours like for the afternoon, like 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., then you can select this field. Okay, but for this time I will select date 10. We'll do for the custom hours. Okay, so I will date 13. I want for 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. These two. Okay, okay, so this is to approve stage. Just go back. You can see well leave is available here. Just check everything. 3 hours. Just prove it. Okay, believe is approved. Now we will go back and just for okay, for the date. Save it. Okay, now we'll go back and here you can see I will upload it. 4 hour half day. Okay, we'll go back and here you can see all the leaves with a status. One more thing I have to explain, that you can see that my unpaid leave is 12 days. Okay, now let me create one unpaid leave for 1 day for 7. Okay, description, just save it. Okay, so okay, now when I will go back, you can see that my available balance is 11 days because I had requested for 1 day. Okay, so whenever you will create any leave request, then after approving it will deduct from the available days. Okay, so this is the complete flow of our custom module. Using this module, any portal user can request leave from the portal side. If you want to buy this module, you can contact us in info@techvaria.com. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.